Hi guys, this is your Tito Marcos and ngayon po we're going to answer one of the questions about sa ating Supremo Pocket Camcorder. Kung bago po ako bumili nito, ito din po yung tanong ko regarding this Pocket Camcorder. Paano po natin naiikot yung camera? How do we rotate this camera? So, hawak niyo po yung camera na ganito. You're going to just hold the body. Yan. Hawakan niyo lang po yung body and at the same time, ikutin niyo yung camera papuntang right. Yan. Papuntang right. And ang sagad po nito, the extent of the rotation is nung nakaharap na siya doon. So, mangyayari po niyan, instead of parang nagsiselfie kayo, ayun na po mangyayari. Nakaharap na po yung camera doon and then yung screen po sa inyo. But if you're going to turn it naman papuntang left, hindi niyo po masasagad ito if you're going to turn it left. Ayan. Hanggang dito lang. Ayan. So, ganyan po ang nangyayari pag if it's being turned towards the left side. So, it's as easy as that. Careful lang tayo. I'm not sure kung very durable naman pag ganitong manual talaga yung pag-iikot nito. But it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So, I guess this is just a very quick video. Dami kasi nagtatanong and I just wanted to show you. So, if this really helped you, hopefully you will like and subscribe. See you next time. Once again, this is your Tito Marcos.